All right, part 4. We're trying to get through all these beers. I think we got like 4 more we hadn't
Are you
even.
sure this is not 5?
I don't know. I mean, we got a bunch we hadn't even tried. Okay.
It's a lot.
So
we know.
All right, so we're getting through. All right. So we're gonna get through. We're gonna make you.
We're not doing these, are we?
No.
Okay.
No. All right, so we're doing beer. We're drinking beer. Oh, 1 bourbon, 1 scotch, and 1 beer. Hey, this is Sun Lab. Turn your magic on, girl. American sour ale with raspberry, marshmallow, and vanilla. Oh my God, that sounds. Time out. Time out.
Like that up.
So we're running through these. Sun Lab, turn your magic on American sour ale.
Where'd it go?
Raspberry, marshmallow, and vanilla. Let me tell you what, I have fallen in love with marshmallow in a beer. It is so freaking
Where's your
good.
cigar go?
I got it over here. I'll light it here. Let me pour some marshmallow in my glass. This is from Sun Lab, New York. American sour ale, raspberry, blah blah blah. 5.7% alcohol. And Westbrook Brewing does their stuff. Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. Freaking good stuff. This sounds and smells wonderful. In fact, it smells so good. I'm going to. Wait a minute. Oh, here we have a message.
We have the beer professor schooling us. Ooh, you can smell the marshmallow too.
Oh my God. Are you kidding? I don't even understand what he's saying. He's so smart. So the beer professor is our friend. Yeah. Oh, you think?
Maybe.
You think?
It's close.
Okay. Well, we got Moon Pie in the run in there. So we'll see. We got like 4 or 5 more beers to try. But this is the Sun Lab. Let me tell you something. Edmonds Oast, Sun Lab, Trim Tab. When they do a sour, dude, they do a sour. They do it right. Sun Lab is as good as anybody doing a sour.
Listen, that is good.
Oh my God, that is super, super good. Super good.
Super good.
When I taste that on my lips, it's super good. That is really good. God, you can taste a marshmallow. I am in love with marshmallow in a beer. I'm all over that. I'm with you. That is so good. Cause that
Football game's over.
Thank goodness. Because this says it's a sour ale, but it's not tart. You know, raspberry, marshmallow, and vanilla. No. Raspberry gives it some tartness, but then the vanilla and the marshmallow and the vanilla.
Yeah.
The marshmallow and the vanilla give it good body and good taste.
Yeah, it's really good. My vote.
Ooh. That is really good. Really, really good. Good clean burn. That's the Perdomo 10th anniversary. Very good cigar. Very mild, very cigar-y.
You always smoke those, huh?
I do on Friday night beer tasting because they're very they're not mild. They're very cigar-y tasting, but they're not dark. It's just a really good.
Well, it doesn't stink.
Really good cigar. It's a very good cigar.
All right. Put that one back in.
Okay.
That's in the running.
Oh, absolutely. All right. So what do we do next?
We might have to have categories.
Where do we go from here? Well, let's just see where we go from here. This is kind of like a guideline of where we're headed. Is what we're doing here. O. That's an O. O. In case you didn't get that. O.
Oh my God.
Good God, y'all. Just a minute. Let me drink this.
Is there another stout in there?
I'm not sure. I'm kind of afraid. I mean, we're going to get them all, so.
Yeah, but it's got to maybe you should mix it up.
Well, I mean, this is not a sour, is it? This is a super raspy. Oh, sour ale or raspberry. Oh, so that's a Happy Skull because it's a sour. So it's a 6 Point Brewery in wherever they're from.
All right, you sure you want to do this one right now?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Infinite Loop Series, super raspy sour ale with raspberry, 8.3. Is that 8 or 6? Is that 8 or 6?
Where?
8 or 6. Boomer Light. 8.3% alcohol. Let me tell you something. They are learning how to put more alcohol in sours and still have them sour. So this is 6 Point Brewery. I'm not sure where they're from. I mean, 6 Point, you know where you're from, so I don't guess we have to tell you. So we got that one. I want to finish this right here because this is super good. Like in the running.
You have to get that Sun Lab back out.
Yeah.
I'm slipping.
Oh, did you not get a picture of it? All right, so.
I'll get this one.
Hang on. Oh, yeah. Do that one. I'll find the Sun Lab in here. Oh. So, while we're doing that, I just want to make some of the announcements for the future. Okay. Well, I'll do that later. There's some contests coming up, but we'll do that one later. Okay. 6 Point Brewery in where is that?
Oh damn. I don't know.
In Odam, Alabama. Here, you introduce this one.
Yeah. Right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's PA.
Well, look down here. You down on that bottom line.
Wait, is it a collab?
Brooklyn, New York.
It's got 3 different places. Parksburg, Pennsylvania, and Downington.
No rest till Brooklyn. No sleep till Brooklyn. No rest. No sleep till Brooklyn. Yeah, that's a.
Oh God.
Well, if you're not going to rest, you're not going to sleep. So.
Ooh, you can smell the raspberry.
Oh, really?
I kind of feel like we liked this one.
I can't remember. I do not remember this one. All right, so 6 Point Brewery, the Super Raspy.
It's about to fall off of there.
Well, it needs to be seen. There we go. Okay. God, they're all just tasting like beer now. Mmm.
What the hell?
It's got a bitter taste on the end.
Tastes really metallic.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
But it smells really good.
It does. The aroma is just on the nose. It's very good. Raspberry sour.
Raspy.
With super, yeah, it is kind of raspy. Super raspy, in fact. God knows it smells so good. It loses some of that smoothness.
That does not taste like how it smells. Woof. Yeah.
God, it's got a flat, harsh taste.
Yeah.
Right in the middle of it.
You want that over here?
No. No, I mean, yeah, like over there. All right, so we got a couple more. God, who thought of this?
Okay, look, we had to because we had no
I
more
agree with you. I agree.
room
Okay.
left.
Okay, Pal Hana.
You picked this out from Casual.
I picked this one out. Pal Hana. Something sour. It is a Ghost Train from Birmingham. We've been to Ghost Train several power punna hunna times, and so this is from Ghost Train Brewing, and it's 5% Powahana. So that's what we got here. All right. Ghost Train Powahana.
You didn't even read the taste of it?
What's Powahana flavored? What is
It's
it?
a smoothie sour.
Oh, okay. That's pretty good. It's not very intense with flavor, but it's good though. It is a good smoothie sour. You like it? Yeah, she loves it. I can tell by my expression on her face when she fills her card out. It will be.
No, I'm not a fan of it.
I'm okay with it. It's kind of in the middle. It's not, light and refreshing, but it's not heavy and dark. Hannah. That one is so easy to pronounce, I'm going to let Nancy do this one. And it's a
Pal Hana.
Pal Hana. Exactly, that's what I said.
It's kind of not what you said.
It is kind of what I said, kind of.
Panahana.
Kind of Panahana. Hana. It's like this and like that, Hana.
Hana? Are you going to put that
It's like that.
here or there?
No, I don't even know where we're putting stuff anymore. We got so many things that we're putting places. I don't even know what to do. All right, so.
Well, what you're doing is a good thing right now. We're cleaning the fridge out.
Amen. Listen, hey, because we'll come up here and we're gonna play all day in the pool or something. We have some beers that I just dumped those ashes in my glass. So anyway, we're gonna play in the pool, one to Saturday or Sunday, because the other days we're working people, and so like we're gonna get some. I even forgot what I was saying. We're gonna get.
Oh my God.
We're gonna have some beers and they're gonna be good. And here's what we're doing. We're tasting them right now. All right. Anyway, UFO. We are the UFO, which is a Huntsville-based brewery. God, that's a good cigar. UFO Blueberry. And this is in Huntsville, Alabama.
That one's good.
UFO Main Brewery. Main Blueberry. I'm sorry. It's a refreshing, crisp, and subtly sweet blueberry ale. And this is from UFO. Right here in Huntsville. 4.8% alcohol.
It's not from Huntsville.
Huh?
It's not from Huntsville.
UFO's not from Huntsville? Where are they from? When did they move? This is employee owned. Made with blah 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 UFO
They're
beer.
from Boston.
Boston, Massachusetts. Oh, I thought it was Huntsville. The same thing.
Why would you think that's from Huntsville?
Because we're space people down here.
Oh my God.
Okay, so we're not. And this is a blueberry-based beer.
Can you smell it? I can smell. Oh my God. You hate this beer. He's gonna hate it.
God. Oh my God, jeez. It tastes like old socks. That's like gym clothes. Oh my God, that is bad. I mean, in a good way, UFO. In a good way, okay?
Well, it's employee owned.
I'm going to make everybody mad at me, but I am not a fan of that. The blueberry is overwhelmed by the...
Oh my God, that is good. That does not taste like socks.
No, it tastes like old socks.
Well, this did. Oh my God.
I don't even know what to say.
I can't believe you don't like this. This has got like a sweet marshmallow. Try it again and taste the marshmallow.
Sweet marshmallow?
Yes, sweet marshmallow.
It
tastes like a sweet marshmallow blueberry.
That does not have marshmallow in it.
It doesn't say that, but it tastes like it.
All right, let me give it a fair check.
Stop smelling it because it doesn't taste like how it smells.
Not bad. It doesn't hit me right. I'm sure. Well, like you like it, but it.
No, like I cannot believe we're like this far away from this taste.
Well, and we're on the opposite sides because I don't like that. It just doesn't hit me right. I'm sure it's a good beer.
No, this does
lot of people
not
really
have
like
like that. I'm surprised because it's an ale. It doesn't have an ale taste to me.
No, it doesn't have an ale taste.
It tastes like blueberry candy.
No, it doesn't taste like blueberry candy to me.
It does.
Not to me. Not to me. I'm not happy with that. In fact, I'm kind of angry.
I don't get where you're not tasting that. You might want to taste my glass.
I'm going to go no. Go no on that. No.
Man.
All right, so we have. All right. All right, so we have. We have no more beers to open. We have opened
What?
42
Let's
beers.
Because we're out of time.
Okay, and that's good. We'll come back with the last segment and give the awards out and that kind of stuff. And we'll be spinning the wheel one more time, and we'll be giving awards out and that kind of stuff. So join us one more time. One more time. I mean, look, you've wasted this much time. You might as well go one more, okay?